Good morning everybody, Tracy here from Uniquely Creative with our new December collection release, and it's called Ocean Breeze, and it is a summer type collection. I feel is the best way to describe it because today is the very first day of summer. Let's take a look through some of the papers in the collection. So this one here is called Sandy Beach, and it's got this gorgeous little frame on it and a fun pattern on the B side. This one here is called Summer Bloom. This one's great for fussy cutting out if you like to fussy cut. And a nice chevron on the back. This one here is called Sea Urchin. It's got that beautiful grey tone and a lovely pattern on the back. This is a beautiful background page. It's called Sunset Boulevard with those gorgeous flowers on the edges and a stripe on the back. This one is Lighthouse Flowers, which obviously has got a cute little lighthouse and these beautiful little seagulls. They're so cute. And it's got this gorgeous wood grain on the back. This one's called Sunny Side Up Layer Cuts, and this is my favourite new piece of paper, and I'm going to show you how to use that in just a minute. I've made a whole video on that as well, which I'll share later in the week. And another smaller chevron on the back. This one here is called Beach Life Fussy Cuts, and of course these are all designed to be fussy cut out. They're kind of a smaller elements which are great for card making as well. Cute little elements on there. These beach huts are amazing. And this gorgeous kind of rainbowy page on the back. And this one here is called Summer Days, and it's got some little pocket page things and some tags on it. And of course another beautiful background. So it's a really gorgeous collection. We also have 3 cut apart sheets of this collection. This is the mini cut apart sheet that you're going to find in the card making kit, which actually goes with die number 5, and they're all just happy birthdays. This is just the cut apart sheet that goes with our essential dies 1, 2 and 3. Lots of cute bits on there. There is also a bonus copy of this in the collection pack this time. And this is the watercolour sheet, so some gorgeous flowers that you can watercolour as well. There are 3 dies we're releasing in December. This one is our viewfinder die, the old fashioned little viewfinder that I had as a kid. We have a film strip die. And this one here, it says Great View. It's a cute little die that says Great View. This one is actually included in the kit if you are planning on getting a kit. We also have this month we're releasing, we've got 12 by 12 burlap, and it's kind of like on a craft background. So that's individual sheets, they're available, 12 by 12 burlap. And we have 12 by 12 corrugated, which are great for using as backgrounds or using on your scrapbooking. So that is the corrugated. Something else we're excited to release this month are our sticker sheets. So we have got these in upper and lower in both black and white. So they're the alpha sheets in upper and lower in the white, and these are the alpha sticker sheets in the black. So these are great staple to add on to any of our kits. They're fantastic. We've also got the creative cuts, of course. So we've got a whole bag full of beautiful little cutouts in there, and lots of happy birthdays and things for cards as well as for scrapbooking, and the beautiful little 6x6 collection packs, which are great for card making. One other thing we're releasing this month, which is actually included in the kit as well, is this cute little accordion album, and I'll show you a finished one. The girls have all, a lot of the girls have made one of these on our DT this month, so we'll be sharing those throughout the month and sharing you videos as well. And the very last thing we're releasing this month is this cute little stamp. It's called Fishnet Stamp, and we're releasing that one. There is another stamp, I think I've got one here, no that's Fishnet, it's called Basket Weave, but that one is an exclusive one for the kit. So this cute little stamp is available. So that is the whole collection. I'm going to quickly show you some of the things. So this is a layout that I've made, and that's the Great View die that I was telling you about. It's a cute little die. I've added some of our muslin on to here, and these are the cutout sheets. Now the layers cutout sheet, I have made these cute little embellishments, and I have made a whole video showing you how to make your own embellishments like this, which are great just to put on the front of a card like I have here, this birthday card on a slimline card, or you can just use them, and I have used one on here on my layout. Okay, so that is just some cute little ones I'm going to show you. I haven't got too many finished projects to show you because our internet's gone down. NBN is out and I cannot print a thing to show you. So the card making kit will be released on the 5th, and it's a beautiful card making kit. Let me show you everything is included in the kit. So the first thing you get is this sheet, which is folds out, and that's got all the actual size images of the cards. You get the pack of card and envelopes. You get some blue pearls, a whole packet of creative cuts, 1/4 of those little cut apart sheets with some happy birthday sayings, and the card pack. Let me just show you the cards. These are the cards themselves. Tanya Ridgewell has designed these cards again this month, and they're beautiful just to put in your stash. Oh, this is a cute little banner that Tanya's made, cutting out that strip with the die number 5 and then just cutting some bunting into it and folding it up. So that's a little happy birthday. This is a little birthday wishes one. So even though this is a summer collection, they are just a beautiful set of cards to have in your stash. Well, happy birthday and a cute little birthday wishes. Oh, there is ribbon. Oh, look at this in my bag. I forgot to take it out. There is ribbon included in the kit as well. So that is the card making kit, which will release on the 5th of December. Also releasing on the 5th of December is our Kit Club box. Now we have made more boxes this month, so hopefully we'll have some we will be able to release on the 5th for you. So let's take a quick look at what's in the box. So we have got the creative cuts. This is the basket weave stamp that we've got, which is exclusive to the kit. We have got some either silver pearls or rhinestones. There's some have rhinestones, some have pearls. This is that Great View die. We've got this lovely laser cup, which has got Summer Lovin' and Enjoy on it. You get the Accordion Album. You get the watercolor cut apart sheet, the regular cut apart sheet, a bumper issue of the magazine. It's got an extra 10 pages in it this month because the girls have all have their albums in the back. Let me just quickly show you. So in the back, so this is Rachel's album, and there's pictures of all the pages of the album. And then this is the other Rachel's album, and then this is Melanie's album. So there's lots of ideas with the album in the magazine. You are getting one of the sticker sheets in the kit. This is oatmeal cardstock. This one has got the watercolor. So you've got one sheet of oatmeal, a sheet of watercolor, a sheet of burlap, a sheet of the corrugated, and the 12 by 12 paper pack. So much value in this kit with the die and the album included in the kit. Let's take a look at some of the layouts that the girls have created. So this is one of Liddell's. It's a beautiful layout here, and she's used that viewfinder die at the top, and she's used the Great View die down the bottom. Such a cute layout. Another one of Liddell's. All those is a very summer range. Those little guys are in the middle of winter, and how gorgeous are they? And they're the stickers. This is one here by Kylie. She's also used the film strip die and the viewfinder die. Another one here by Liddell. Unfortunately, I can't show you everyone's layouts. As I said, unfortunately, we have not been able to get them printed in time for the video. Another one by Rachel, I think. One more there. So they're beautiful layouts, very inspirational. Now this is Liddell's little album. I'm just going to give you a quick flick through. So Liddell, although this is an accordion album that usually opens out, Liddell has made a little spine on her album, and there's instructions on how to do that in the magazine. And it's a cute little album with lots of little flip outs on all the pages that she's made. I love making mini albums. I can't wait to make a mini album with this. I just need a minute. And a minute is not what I have right now. Really cute. No more flips on this page. So yeah, that is really cute. So that is the mini album. So we do have some mini albums available on our website, but we don't have many. So here are some of the cards that the DT girls have done. There's a couple by Shana. One by Rachel. I love how she's used the viewfinder die. That's just such a beautiful card. Joe. I think Rachel did this one too. I love that with the little houses. So collection releasing on the 1st, kits releasing on the 5th, and everything is going to be available online. We have sent off all our wholesale orders, so please go and try to support your local store if you can and pick up your products from them. They'd really appreciate your business. It's been a crazy year for all our stores, and we would just love it if you could help them out. Thanks guys for everything. Till next time. Bye.